Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a Go Red for Heart Health Awareness Month collaboration 2021. And this collaboration is hosted by Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, co-hosts Debby Bubbles, Diva Decorating, Glam Queen or DIY, Lovemybabiesforever, Lynn Lifestyle Living, and Sister Cousin Lifestyle. Please go to the latest channel and show them some love and support. They have some amazing home decor videos that will inspire you to decorate your home with style. I will link their channel in the playlist in the description box below so you can see everyone who participated in this collaboration. But if you're new to my channel, welcome and become a member of Living Better with Style family, where we do lifestyle changes, home decor, DIYs, shop with me, and hauls. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. And 1 in 3 women die of heart disease and stroke each year. So we encourage you to join the movement to end heart disease and stroke in women, because it's not just a man disease. What it means to go red for heart health? G, get your numbers. O, own your lifestyle. R, realize your risk. E, educate your family. And D, don't be silenced. Tell every woman you know about heart disease. It can save their life. Encourage them to take action and make heart health a part of their self-care routine. So let's take a closer look and tour on my tablescape. Ladies, love and take care of your heart, and your heart will take care of you. Please go to the doctor and take control of your health. And let's join the movement to end heart disease. Thank you, ladies, for hosting and co-hosting this amazing collaboration, and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.